Hi, welcome back. Or if you're just joining, my name is Maya, and welcome to my channel, Cranleyplace, where I'm focused on Hermès scarf style, knot tutorials, and more. Before we get started, let me give a shout out to all the channel members and special welcome to any new knot connoisseurs and elegant insiders. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the membership options. In this video, I'll share with you my capsule wardrobe and Hermès scarves I've chosen for an upcoming business trip. We'll take a look at the scarves and outfits and see how I could actually make at least 24 combos with just the basics I'm packing for the trip. Let's get started. For this trip, I'm traveling domestically on business. This is a relatively short one. We're talking about 5 days total, including travel. Spring weather, as we know, can be variable, and for the week that I'm there, there is rain in the forecast. That means some light jackets, a raincoat, and a selection of scarves, of course. Overall, this will be a business casual wardrobe. First, let me share the scarves I've chosen for the trip. Most of these are silk twills, except for the last one, which is a cashmere. The first one is a 90-centimeter double-faced silk twill called Mille Feuilles de Soie by Natsuno Hidaka. The more colorful side has a range of blues, yellows, greens, oranges, reds, black, and white. Then the other side is a more monochromatic version with pale blues, pinks, creams, black, and white. 2 colorways in one. I do love these for travel. Next is another relatively recent design, a 90-centimeter silk twill called La Vallee de Cristal by Ugo Bienvenu. This one is quite colorful with its blues, yellows, oranges, pinks, browns, grays, black, and white. It also has a reddish pink contrast rolled hem. Next is a vintage 90-centimeter called Voyage en étoffe by Annie Favre. This is predominantly sunshine yellows with various shades of orange, plus gray and white. Then we have a giant cashmere triangle called Masson and Masson by Terroir Tan Capricive. The base is a very dark blue, almost black, with the contrasting Masson woven horses in chestnut brown and olive green, plus the woven pattern in blue and white. There are also touches of yellow, and this giant triangle has a contrasting white rolled hem. Day 1 is a travel day, and I head into meetings not long after I arrive. So what I plan to fly in is this. For the scarf, I'll wear the Masson and Masson giant triangle, since I usually get a little chilly on airplanes. A burgundy long-sleeve hooded shirt. Blue jeans. These do have some stretch and are super comfortable. And for layers, I first have a black knit blazer. This is a wardrobe staple that can be dressed up or down, and because it's knit, it travels well. No wrinkles, and is very comfortable. Then I'm bringing a poplin trench coat as outerwear. For footwear, I'll wear some black Chelsea boots since, as I mentioned, it is expected to rain. I'll wear the same outfit to dinner. Day 2 is a full day of meetings. So for the scarf, I'll wear the Mille Feuilles de Soie on its colorful side. I have a simple gray tee to pair with black ponte knit pants. Then the single-breasted knit jacket from the Day 1 capsule, plus some black loafers, which are both waterproof and very comfortable for walking. And then the trench coat as a topper. For Day 3, I will wear the La Vallee de Cristal as a cowl neck top. That means my jacket isn't coming off during the day to keep it professional. I'll wear the Peter Pan collar black knit jacket with a tulip ponte skirt. Then I have black tights, which I'll pair with the black loafers, and although I will be inside for most of the day in meetings, I do have the trench coat as outerwear for when I go outside. Day 4, the scarf pick is Voyage en étoffe, and again I'll wear the Peter Pan collar black knit jacket with a light gray sheath dress underneath. Then again, I have tights, which I'll pair with the black loafers, and the trench coat as a topper. Day 5 is a travel day back home. So for the scarf, I'll wear the flip side of the millefeuille de soie. That's the more monochromatic version. Blue jeans, plus the gray tee that you saw from the Day 2 capsule. And the Peter Pan collar black knit jacket as a topper, Chelsea boots, and then the trench. These scarves are very different, but complementary in their color schemes. With this capsule wardrobe, I could make at least 24 different looks just by mixing things up and changing the scarf. There is an Hermès boutique nearby where I'm going, but I'll have to see if I can carve out any spare time while I'm on the road. So there you have it, my Hermès scarf capsule wardrobe for a 5-day domestic business trip. Please like and share the video if you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think in the comments. In future episodes, I'll share other scarf reviews, tutorials, and more, so be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of new videos. Thanks again for joining me today. Until next time!